Hey friends, we are at the Margaritaville Resort in Orlando, and today I'll be giving you guys a room tour of our room in Building 8, and our room number is room 536. And just so you can look and see where our room is, get a vision on this map, this is our room here. We are the last, we're in the last building before you get to the cottages. And if you look here, we're right beside Salty Rim Bar and Grill, which is where you can get your food, by the pool area. All the rooms are a pool view, so you don't have to worry about that. I thought that Building 8 would be a better room to stay in, well, building to stay in, but I believe that maybe 6 or 7 because they're closer to the elevator. So I'll go ahead and show you the room. Here's the door when you enter. As soon as you enter on the right, you have a safe iron. Oh, the iron board is here. And this closet is pretty deep. So we have some hangers. It's a pretty deep closet. On the left-hand side is the bathroom. Look how nice this is. Shower. Look at that. All right, so in the shower, nice finish. Oh, I like this too. We have Saint Somewhere shower gel, shampoo, conditioner, and soap. And I love when we have a detachable shower head, and then they also have the shower head up top. We move here, and we have 2 sinks with cabinet space, mirror, lamp, and a big mirror here. And then over to the left in the bathroom area is the toilet. So let's enter. All right, as soon as you enter, you have this nice picture here. And then the toilet. So everything is clean, thank you. Of course, there's a trash can. Once you leave the bathroom, we have a space here for luggage. Oh, this is a huge mirror right here. Very nice mirror. Hello. DJ, come here and let everybody see that you're taller than me now. Don't want to stop. Come stand over here and let everybody see that you're taller than me. Look at him. He's taller than me now. It's so funny. Okay, so then they have this. Stop.
I just want a hug.
No, I'm recording a video. All right, so over here they have this space here that looks like it's a closet of some sort, but it's not. It's just for decoration. 2 beds. Look at the artwork and the detail of the headboard and the area behind the headboard. And here's another picture here. We have a nightstand in the middle with, I'm not sure what this is yet. Looks like some kind of iPad. Maybe a clock, I'm not sure. Right in front of the beds is the TV, another lamp. This nice area right here. Ice bucket that says Margaritaville. And I'm not sure what this is. Have a chair. Let's move over here. Sorry guys, it's nighttime. Oh, look at this. This is this airplane. You have a Keurig. Here's the refrigerator. All right, and here's our balcony with the view. Oh Jesus, I can't. Why am I always having issues? Okay, here's the balcony. It's actually raining right now. This building right here is the building where you can order food and stuff. And then here's our pool here. but then there's another pool here that we can go to. And then you can't see it, but behind this building there's another pool over there, but we will probably stay at this pool right here where all the action is, our pool. There's sand here on the beach, and I will show you guys the view in the morning. Hey guys, it is the next morning, and here is the view from the balcony. So if you look over to the left, you'll see that we are very close to the cottages. Just super cute over there. It's like a little lake there. The pool, the cabanas. And there's the other pool. Far in the back here, you'll see that they are doing some construction, so keep that in mind. And there's a road all the way there, so you can see that from here if that bothers you. Here's our balcony, a nice size. It's only 2 chairs though. This is all across the top of the balcony, but I believe it's spider eggs, and they're everywhere. It's all the way across. This is a nice feature. Instead of having that card that you have to hang on your door, there's a button. So you just hit do not disturb, or if you want housekeeping, you put it on housekeeping. And let me show you. And it'll come up right here. Our robes were missing from the closet. We don't use them anyway, but they still weren't here. So they give us these nice little wristbands that are waterproof, and this wristband is the key to the room. And then also another thing is that you can charge everything to the room, so you don't have to worry about taking your debit card to the pool or anything like that.